So, Mary, this is your clam shelter. How long does it take you to set it up?
Ready?
Set,
Go!
Okay, Mary, how long did that take?
2 minutes and 1 second.
That's fast.
Yep.
The best thing that I like about this is this screening that's on the clam. Look at how thick that weave is. No-see-ums can't get through here. Mosquitoes can't get through here. So when you are inside like this, you are relatively bug-free.
These are the door supports. They're velcroed up here to keep them out of the way. Unvelcro them.
Put it in its pocket.
Velcro it. This keeps the door open. Gives support to the doorway. Makes the door rigid. This model comes with 6 sides. Rain sides, wind sides, and shade sides. All held on by Velcro.
Mark, how tall is it? Let's see. From the ground on up, we have got...
7 feet.
Mark, what do we have here for measurements?
11 feet.
11 feet. With those measurements, a picnic table should definitely fit inside, but let's find out.
It's a full-size picnic table.
Oh my gosh, let's take a look. You guys have got your full picnic table inside here. And look at this. You have definitely got room to spare.
Yeah, and it comes with stakes, so it won't blow away in the wind. Just stake it down. It'll keep it from blowing away.
Coming up, Mary shares her viewpoint on the quality of this green tent. But I'm curious, do you own a clam tent? If so, what are your pros and what are your cons? Or if you're thinking of purchasing one, what are your questions? Let me know in the comments section below. That way we can all learn from each other. So Mary, how long ago did you buy this clam shelter and why did you originally buy it?
We bought our clam in April of this year. And the reason we bought it is because my husband and I are both retired. We're in our mid-60s. And frankly, we needed something that was going to be light, that was easy to handle, and that would go up quickly. We didn't want stakes and poles and tarps and all of the stuff that goes with a traditional tent. This is an absolute dream come true. One of the things I really like about this, and I'd mentioned it before, is this netting. I get bit up like crazy by mosquitoes and no-see-ums and just anything that's out there, and this keeps them out. I love the quality. Look at the way everything is reinforced, so you're not going to have anything poking through and coming out of your tent. And then I also like this part down here, because this is the mechanism for setting up your tent. And again, it is all covered and it's all protected. I like the quality of this. It really is just a very solid, well-made tent.
Here's the first step in taking it down, pushing it in. You repeat that, keep going.
Yeah, Mark, you got that down in what? 20 seconds?
Less than a minute, and it's down.
This, when it's folded up, is about 6 feet. So it's not going to fit in your car, not going to fit in your trunk. So you probably need a bigger vehicle to put this in.
This is called the Quick Clam Escape.
And it was $309.99, so $310. And worth every penny of it.
because it did come with the walls and everything else, and it's the nice big one. Don't get the smaller one, get the bigger one. You're going to want the bigger one.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm standing here with Mary and Mark. And Mary and Mark have been subscribers to my channel for over a year. So it's such an honor for me to meet them. Thank you guys so much for meeting with me.
Thank you for joining us. When we knew we were going to have this celebrity sighting, I was over the moon excited. You have just been a wealth of knowledge for us for this past year since we've owned our little guy, Max. You've saved us time. You've saved us money. You've shown us great adventures, and you've shown us what's possible.
Because weekends are just too short. This screen tent made it to my top 10 RV luxury and upgrades list. And this list is packed with goodies and things to make RV life better. I'll leave a link to that video right up here and in the video description below. So be sure to watch that next.